I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to cancel your subscription on the Paramount app, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Paramount app. Launch the Paramount app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the subscription you want to cancel. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the account settings option, usually found in the top corner of the screen. This will take you to your account management area. Step 3. Navigate to subscription options. In the account settings, look for a section labeled subscriptions or billing. This is where you can manage your subscription details. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Find the subscription you wish to cancel and select it. You should see an option to cancel your subscription. Click on that option. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may receive a confirmation message or email once the cancellation is processed. Remember, if you cancel close to your billing date, you might still have access until the end of the billing cycle. I hope this helps you manage your subscriptions easily.